you know there are many cool gadgets out there that will make your day-to-day tasks easier? Would you like to know which gadgets we're talking about? Stay with us till the end of the video to find out which gadgets will suit you the best. Links to all gadgets available are available in the video description. You can check all the links there. So let's get started. Number 1. Ridgid 2099-83. It can handle lines that are 1/4 inch to 1 1/4 inch in diameter. What a nice range! This tool will work for small and large projects when you need to read the lines. This device has 45 strong cutting edges. That's right, 45. The reamer cuts, cleans, and smooths out the inside of your pipes like a small army. Not only does it do the inside, but it also deburrs and bevels on the outside. In short, it makes your pipes look and feel clean and brand new. Let's talk about how it feels to use it. It's not fun to work with a tool that moves around in your hands, right? That's why the edges of this reamer are knurled for comfort. What does the fancy word mean? It's simple. It's easy to hold and feels good. It's like the tool is holding your hand back, even when the job is tough. With the dual standard inch and metric measurement bar, it's also very easy to make it fit your needs. It's all right there, so you don't have to search around for the right size or second guess your measures. The best part is that this thing is made to last. It's made of high-quality hardened steel, so it can handle the wear and tear of job sites and anything else you throw at it. Number 2 is the VGAN Range 15 Demolition Tool. This is not any old hammer. It has a cool cross-hatched pattern that lets you make big holes in drywall, tile, plaster, or anything else that's in your way. When things get tough, there's no need to stop and get a new tool. Hit, and move on. The wood grabber jaws are the next part. This is the fun part. You'll feel like a demolition superhero when you use these jaws to grab 2 times the lumber, bend it, and tear it apart. Do you need to pull some boards apart or nail strips off? The built-in pry bar makes it easy to do everything. You'll have more time and be less stressed. Don't forget about the nails. It's been said that no one likes pulling out nails that just won't move. The closed and curved nail pullers on this tool, on the other hand, make it easy to get rid of those pesky nails. Putting on new nails, the sticky nail holder makes it easy and keeps them in place like magic. To put it simply, this tool is the best way to do any removal job. It takes the place of a bunch of different tools, which makes your work much faster and better. This tool can take down walls, rip out boards, and pull nails. It's like having a demolition dream team all in one powerful package. You don't need to go back and forth or look for things. You have everything you need right now. Number 3. DELKOtaper Drywall Taping Tool. It's not hard for them to tape up both the flat joints and those annoying internal corners at the same time. How do they do it? This tool, the DELKOtaper, will change the game for you. To begin, let us talk about the coolest part. The unique Delco internal corner attachment. Right? Corners are usually a pain. Not with this bad boy. It makes those corners smooth as butter, giving you a finish that looks like it was made by a machine. No bumps that aren't nice, no fuss. It's kind of like magic, but for the dried wall. The Delco flat applicator also does a great job on flat joints, so they look just as smooth and professional as the corners. Now let's talk about the mud control dials. These are brilliant. 2 of them come in the package and they make sure the compound runs freely. No more having to deal with mud that is too much or too little. Not only that, but the tough speed clips make it very quick to get inside the tool for any cause. You can quickly close it and get back to work. Feeling at ease? Oh, they have also thought of that. The DELKOtaper stays in place on your hand thanks to a flexible hook and loop side strap. The grip is made of reinforced plastic, which is strong but easy on the hands. This thing can hold 2.25 kilos of compound, which means you won't have to stop as often to reload. Plus, tape rolls up to 150 meters long can be used, so you don't have to change rolls all the time. Number 4. Makita DWD181ZJ. For all kinds of things, this tool is like having X-ray vision. This baby can find everything hidden up to 7 inches deep, whether it's dry or wet concrete, wood, drywall, or even hollow block walls. Steel or copper, wooden studs, plastic lines, and even shielded electrical wires are all things that can be used. It has a simple user interface that tells you exactly where something is hidden, how wide it is, and how deep it goes. You'll be able to tell the difference between a thick wire and a big metal bar. Plus, it lets you know where the object's sides and center are, so you don't hit it. The best part is that it has this setting for multiple detections. That means it can look at the surface from up to 3 different directions at the same time. It'll find anything that runs diagonally through your wall. There will be no more shocks in the middle of drilling or cutting. Number 5. Bosch Espray 118H 18V Cordless Spray Gun. The lightweight electric spray gun is the most important tool for DIY projects ever. With this useful tool, painting is quick and easy, and the result is always smooth. Say goodbye to brushes that get dirty and hello to easy application. The shoulder strap on this cordless spray gun makes it easy to move around your room and is designed to be comfortable. You can quickly change the amount of spray and switch between 3 different patterns with the push of a button. This spray gun lets you choose between a fine mist for small details and a wide spray for bigger areas. Plus, you can use it with both water-based and oil-based paints, so you can feel good about working on any job. There are a lot of options from bright colors to basic finishes. You won't have to worry about tangled cords or heavy tools with this lightweight spray gun. You can move around freely and easily while painting. It's meant to make your do-it-yourself projects fun and easy. This electric spray gun will help you paint better and get professional results at home. Perfect for people who like to do their own projects and want to make their place look new with little work. Number 6. 3M Hand Masker. This cool little tool makes getting ready easier by mixing 2 steps into one. This bad boy puts on painter's tape and masking film at the same time, so you don't have to tape everything off and then deal with plastic sheets or paper. That's 4 times faster than the old way of doing things. You won't have to mess around with rolls of tape and plastic sheets anymore. It's made to work both inside and outside, so it doesn't matter. This tool will help you whether you're painting the ceiling, finishing the outside walls, or sanding the floors. The easy grip shape makes it very comfortable to hold, and your hand won't feel like it's being squeezing a stress ball for hours. Because it's small and light, you can hold it easily and get the job done quickly. It has everything you need to get started right away. The 3M Hand Masker M3000 tool comes with a 12-inch film blade, a roll of 1.41 inches, Scotch Blue painter's tape, and a roll of 3M masking film. Number 7. The Berserker SDS Plus rotary hammer drill with safety clutch. The power in this drill is 1050 watt and 9 ampere. In other words, it can go as fast as 1050 RPM and hit 4200 times per minute. You'll fly through brick, concrete, and stone like it's nothing. It also has an impact energy of 3.3 foot-pounds, so you know it can handle tough work. The 3 modes are rotation only, hammering with rotation, and hammering only. You can quickly switch between them. This has 2 switches, which is a lot better than the single switches that most drills have. This style not only makes the drill easy to use, but also makes it last longer. They also thought about that. It has a handle that can be adjusted in all 360 degrees, which changes everything. It's very easy on your hands and arms because you can put it anywhere you want. No more getting tired in the middle of a job. You can also change bits without using any tools with the SDS Plus bit device. It's as simple as popping them in and out. Another big plus is safety. The overload clutch on this drill keeps your wrist from getting hurt if the drill bit gets stuck. That's good news, right? It also keeps the motor safe, so you don't have to worry about it dying. And the body is made of aluminum alloy. It's really tough. Please, don't worry if you drop it by chance. It can handle a hit. This drill is great for smaller building and remodeling jobs. Concrete, metal, and wood can all be drilled up to 1 to 1/8 inches deep. Copper and wood can be drilled up to ½ an inch deep. Just so you know, it's not meant for heavy removal work. Number 8. The Max RB443T. With this new tool's dual wire feeding system, you'll be able to tie knots like a pro. It would be crazy to tie things up in less than 30 seconds. Yes, everyone, just blink and it's done. Your productivity is about to go through the roof. The wire pullback feature makes sure that you always get the right amount of wire. Get rid of the waste wire and save those hard-earned bucks. A good way to save money is something everyone loves. Another cool thing about this tie is that the wire bending device makes the tie shorter. What does that mean to you? There was less need for concrete to cover those wire ties. You'll know how to save things like a pro. Concerned about the wire load? Don't be afraid. You won't have to work hard to load the dual wire with the new wire loading assist device. It's really simple. Which cool gadget out of these would you like to own? Tell us in the comments section below. Find the links to all the gadgets in the video description. If you enjoyed watching the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.